Community readiness. Know where your local tornado sirens are and how to respond when they go off. Stay connected with neighbors and community alerts. In summary, Indiana's recent surge in tornadoes is the result of both immediate weather setups and long-term shifts in climate and geographic. As the atmosphere changes and tornado patterns evolve, states like Indiana are becoming more central in America's severe weather and landscape. Staying informed, prepared, and resilient will be the key to navigating this new reality.